What's up everybody, it's your tech man, TechDevil, back with another smartphone showdown. Today, we're diving into the mid-range arena, where value reigns supreme. In one corner, we have the Xiaomi 14 Civi, known for its sleek design and impressive camera capabilities. And in the other corner we have the OnePlus 12R, packing a punch with its powerful processor and fast charging. Both phones promise a premium experience without breaking the bank, but which one comes out on top? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk displays. The Xiaomi 14 Civi boasts a stunning 6.55-inch AMOLED panel with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus 12R, on the other hand, features a slightly larger 6.74-inch AMOLED display, also with a 120Hz refresh rate. Both phones offer fantastic viewing experiences, but the 12R's larger screen size might be more appealing for media consumption and gaming enthusiasts. Design-wise, both phones sport a premium look and feel. The 14 Civi boasts a slim and lightweight design, with a curved display that melts into the frame. The 12R, while slightly larger, also feels comfortable in hand, thanks to its curved back panel and slim bezels. Ultimately, the choice between the two displays comes down to personal preference. Now let's talk performance. The Xiaomi 14 Civi is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor, a capable mid-range chip that can handle everyday tasks with ease. The OnePlus 12R, however, takes things up a notch with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, a flagship-level chip from last year. Both phones come with ample RAM to ensure smooth multitasking, but the 12R has the edge here, offering up to 16 GB of RAM compared to the 14 Civi's 12 GB. When it comes to raw power and performance, the OnePlus 12R clearly takes the lead. However, the Xiaomi 14 Civi is no slouch and offers more than enough performance for most users. If you're a power user or a hardcore gamer, the 12R's flagship-level processor will be a major selling point. Section 4. Memory and storage fueling your digital life. Moving on to memory and storage, both phones offer a range of options to suit your needs. The Xiaomi 14 Civi comes in three variants: 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB of internal storage. The OnePlus 12R, on the other hand, offers two variants: 256 GB and 512 GB of internal storage. Both phones utilize UFS 3.1 storage, ensuring fast app loading times and smooth data transfers. The lack of expandable storage might be a deal-breaker for some, but the fast UFS 3.1 storage ensures a smooth and responsive user experience. Section 5. Camera capabilities capturing moments in detail. Let's move on to one of the most important aspects of any smartphone, the camera. The Xiaomi 14 Civi boasts a triple camera setup on the rear, headlined by a 50MP primary sensor. This is accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 2MP macro lens. The OnePlus 12R, on the other hand, features a dual camera system on the back, consisting of a 50MP primary sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. Both phones are capable of capturing stunning photos and videos in a variety of lighting conditions. The 14 Civi's triple camera system and high-resolution selfie camera give it a slight edge in versatility, while the 12R's primary sensor delivers exceptional image quality. Both the Xiaomi 14 Civi and OnePlus 12R offer impressive camera capabilities for their price point. Section 6. Price and verdict, the deciding factors. Finally, let's talk price. The Xiaomi 14 Civi starts at price of Xiaomi 14 Civi for the base variant, while the OnePlus 12R is priced at price of OnePlus 12R for its base variant. If you're looking for the absolute best value for your money, the Xiaomi 14 Civi is an excellent choice. However, if you're willing to spend a bit more for a significant performance boost, a larger display and faster charging, the OnePlus 12R is the way to go. Both the Xiaomi 14 Civi and OnePlus 12R are excellent mid-range smartphones that offer a premium experience without breaking the bank. Weigh your options, consider your priorities, and choose the phone that best suits your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Peace out.